First, import the body of your car. Scale it like the 50, and then reveal the position property by pressing P. Right click on the position property and separate dimension. Then drag drop your wheel and move it and press S to reveal the scale property. Make this also to 50. Position it and reveal the rotation property of the wheel by pressing R. Select your body of the car and add an expression controller. Effect, expression control, and the slider control. Rename it as the rotation speed and lock the effect panel. Then go to the rotation property of the wheel and add an expression. First, create a variable name for the rotation speed control, like rotation speed, and rotation speed is equal to, and pick whip to the slider property, and add a semicolon at the end of this. Press return or enter to move it to the next line, and now select pick whip to the X position of your body of the car layer, and add a static or multiplication, and then just copy your variable name, copy it, and press Ctrl V to paste variable name here, and add a semicolon at the end of this also. Just click anywhere, add the rotation speed, add the rotation speed. I am setting this to 1 for now, and if I change my X position, the wheel is rotating, but it's not following the position of the car. So parent this also, the wheel parent to the body. Now if you move the position of the car, the wheel is following, and for the another wheel, just duplicate the wheel by pressing Ctrl D and move to the next of position and move it here. So now you have a fully automated car rig system. If you move reverse, the tire will moving to the reverse, and if you move it to the forward, the tire will move forward. You can also change the rotation speed of the wheel, adding some increasing the by adding increment to this number and moving forward and backward.